omoje sa abosia no yen na yet parliament so and ye share loans no and we approve them and then mean to me can say President Kofoji bosia na menhu ne ode ye bosia bia ye every international agreement must be submitted to parliament. Into be a person who the bosia na your parliament, they'll give them the documents, every single project for which we've taken a loan and record that parliament. And maybe you know, I was some media for more church, I was some research to more namofa a female breast of me in 7th January. Bosia Ajini take it and research it. Ko bibia yakase yes our project. Nakoshe say any project na say yeah. It's the work of the media. And this media can say MPP can say maji bosia and so yehuni amudia. The media is to inform. Into also take the research and go and look at bosia Ajini and go to where yakase yes anyoma nakoshe say anyoma na enkosa na. And that one I leave it.
Chacha obia yaman penny dada John Mahama say ana ofo say Ghana for the adwin too short and I say we have a year short memories you know obetumi akeka nsem bi na wabeka da bia no man penny aboka ena ka wabo na bosia wagedien na ade arofo mo hwe wi onse mo hwe video yi me kan de video bi edi kan ena mesan de awie e de beto aso video na edi kan no ye nyina yete ne kamera no ye o mampani a the same question ye bisa no wo say bosia bia o man ne bebo no eko through parliament and sana ya pass sebi o man no enye Nanado anaso bi ade a hyehyɛ mrato nti wuntimi ndi ska yemfa ma wo yes a e unconstitutional the same mra udi da bia no mampani ene aban aboka fine aban ba no agye besi ado de no de at least aban ba ye e ka wudi gya ho areas a wudi gya ye eye national health insurance about 1.2 billion aban wa betua what I say wa betua sa aka sa banking crisis ya yekum abayin percent krofo sika ebese na mra na wo wangaza ko gina parliament say Bank of Ghana lack of supervision ni omo omoye enti enema banks ni bi ne ye that time na DKM ne de oho aba ye de sobo a farmer Bank of Ghana ana unim Dr. Baumia 2016 2015 2016 na wo kan say oman no banks ni bi nyina na mo so enti no ese pekwan be nya say beje egu ni nyina no bu wani gu so wacha say ana wo ye mampani man take bold step ayi Bank of Ghana entumi nyina wan take bold step de okogina parliament ga say emblem Bank of Ghana mra DKM bae DKM katua ba na utua wo abaya waba wa hwese banking system si antwe ye because banking system gupe o man na say sa ka ni nyina no wacha say enupi na ban yakora wo di etua corona year by abuchi any biase afa na nyina economy affect obia if say source of revenue say to tua na kwan a obefa so de age no ni nyina no country biase sofa aban atra say hu say no enwuma asai niamagu ti na hu mobro na ntema enti no say oman no nso yesika a ye wo ye oman man nyina sika no sabi ye bra ye che na so obia so epi ene edi tua no eti se wa be yo mampani pen na wo ankasa mbra na yo mampani ye bisawo se bosi an wagede no ade aya ansa wo de ma ye no video ni obi ahwe na ehu the type of person a wo so person wo san ba be di o man so o mampani sabi ye nyina adwen nye short sawo wacha se o man we aban we se ko niwa nka crisis ye ba nke Ghana ke de nsa bueti at least you wanna do so by e dey na mo ye contract amoko sign so atiase sa PPP contract amoko sign ya nkame ya na say we are yenyusu ehun ka ban na be renegotiate ne won e manyina sa ka ni nyina no a wo kansa ban aboka no e ka amboto wo no otua bosi amokogye ye hunsi hu aban ba wotimi akọ renegotiate ama bosi ekoje ye nsi bi 10 years e bi betua ya twene kwatire bi 30 years and over ene de betua abosia no bosia ya gege abi wo ha anya ban pen so de ma gege de o matumi akore ne guchiti a ni nyina amoye wata se enye ntro ne dede wasema waka no eno a ne ye de bema ejarofo ye hwe ne video no ni ehu ne nya atwon ene sebe ne no kware a wo ne o man ni o man pani akufu ado nkoje bosia set bi obedi nanu bisia bi a waje no bibi a wo de aye it's clear to see a school dan ahoro corona ibaye bisa se nipa ekoda eyare koda hospital na se yekoye on corona test ofie ni ade ne o ma bisa se hwan na otuaka ni nyina yo man sika enya kufu ado sebe ni botom sika owi o man sika at least yehu ni ama yekoso planting for food and jobs yehu di aye pollination o se eyi koko eyi yehu di aye ni nyina yo man sika ni dia
omoje sabosia no ye nyina ye te parliament o and ye share loans no and we approve them and then that means me can say President Kofoji bosia na menhu ni ode ye bosia bia ye every international agreement must be submitted to parliament until be a person who ni the bosia na your parliament they'll give them the documents every single project for which we've taken a loan and record that parliament. And maybe you know, I was a media for more check I was some research to Moko Namofa a film address of me swear in 7th January. Bosia Ajini take it and research it. Ko Bibia Yakase, yes, our project. Nakosha say a project na say, yeah. It's the work of the media. And it's a media can say, and people can say, Maji Bosia and Suyin Mudia. The media is to inform. Into also take the research and go and look at Bosia and Ajini and go to where Yeka say yes and your man Nakosha say and your man and Kosana. And that one I leave it to you.